If you've ever generated an AI video with Veo3 and your main character looks completely different from one scene to the next, you're not alone. Character drift is the number one frustration for AI video creators. In this video, I'm going to guide you exactly how to guarantee character consistency across every single scene in Google Flow AI using Veo3. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why this happens. Veo3 treats every generation as a fresh request. It doesn't automatically remember your character from the previous clip. So if your prompt changes even slightly, the hairstyle shifts, the lighting reads differently, the clothing loses detail, your character drifts. The fix is not luck, it's a system, and that system starts before you even open Flow. Now before we move on to the step 1, I want to make it clear that to get maximum out of this tutorial, the viewer must know the basics of Veo3. Also, if I see enough subscribers, then I will make a complete video with hands-on with the Veo3 tool called Flow AI for beginners. Step 1 is creating what I call your character Bible, a detailed written description you will copy-paste into every single prompt. This is non-negotiable. Include the face in precise detail, the shape, eye color, nose, lips, any unique marks. Describe the hair with color, texture, and style. Specify the exact outfit, not just blue jacket, but slim fit navy blue zip-up jacket with a white logo on the chest. The more specific you are, the less Veo3 has to guess, and the less it guesses, the more consistent your character becomes. Step 2 is using Veo3's most powerful consistency tool, ingredients to video. Here's how it works. First, generate a single perfect reference image of your character using Nano Banana Pro inside Flow. Get the face, outfit, and lighting exactly right. Then, in every new scene you generate, upload that reference image as an ingredient. Veo 3.1 now supports up to 3 reference images per generation. Use one for your character, one for your background or setting, and one for lighting style if needed. This gives the model a visual anchor, and your character will stay locked across scenes. Step 3 is working inside Flow's scene tools strategically. Once you've generated a clip where your character looks exactly right, don't start fresh for the next shot. Use Add to Scene to continue from that visual context, or use Extend Scene to grow that clip forward. Both features carry your character's visual identity into the next generation. Think of it as passing a baton. The model sees what came before and stays consistent. Always include your character Bible description in the new prompt, even when using these tools. Text plus visual reference is more powerful than either alone. Step 4 is a prompting discipline that most creators overlook. Give Veo3 one action per shot. Not 2, not 3, 1. When you ask the model to do too much in a single generation, it prioritizes motion and physics over character detail. Your character drifts as a result. Keep each shot simple. One subject, one action, one camera movement. Build complexity across scenes, not within them. Step 5 is quality control. Before you stitch your clips together, do a consistency pass. Play each clip side by side and check the face, the clothing, and the lighting. Veo 3.1 embeds a Synth ID watermark in every generated video, which also means you can verify AI generation. But more importantly, this review step catches any drift before it ends up in your final edit. Catching it early saves you hours of regeneration. So, to recap, build your character Bible. Use the ingredients to video feature with a reference image. Use Add to Scene and Extend Scene instead of starting fresh. Give Veo3 one action per shot. And always do a consistency review before you edit. That's the system. Follow these 5 steps and character drift becomes a thing of the past. If this helped you, subscribe to Creativity Flow AI. I post AI video tutorials every week. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer them. See you in the next one.